How to block YouTube ads for free tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, download and install Microsoft Edge, and search in the search bar Microsoft Edge extensions, and once loaded, click and search YouTube ad blocker. And scroll down until you see the website or extension to block. In this case, I have it installed, but I'm going to remove it for this video purposes and how I'm going to enable it or add the extension. You can view the extension by clicking this right to your extensions, and you can even click this icon to show in the toolbar. And when you click on it, it's currently enabled. This is the stuff your insurance companies, you can see if there are ads played.
Have you noticed your auto insurance payments?
So now we're going to enable ad block.
If you watch one ad, you will get 30 cents. Watching second ad, you will earn 54 cents.
Watch third ad, you will get used 52 cents, and so on and so forth on this video. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.